Here are the top 5 Web3 games you can try in 2025, all without needing a crypto wallet. First, Brilliant Crypto. This game lets you experience the thrill of mining gemstones and earning cryptocurrency. You can become a mine owner or a scholar using pickaxes to dig for valuable gems. The gems can be traded for profit and you can mint them into NFTs, opening up opportunities for external metaverse integration. You can enjoy this game without needing a wallet, but if you can trade or mint NFTs, you'll need to connect a wallet. Second, Est for Kingdom. This Web3 RPG on the Phantom blockchain blends medieval fantasy with blockchain technology. You can embark on quests, battle enemies, and gather resources while earning in-game assets as NFTs. It features a stable economy and minimal gas fees, making it a great choice for RPG fans who want to experience the benefits of Web3 without the hassle of a wallet. Third, Coin Races. This exciting game blends reduction gaming with 3D horse racing. You can join free-to-play battles, dominate leaderboards, and earn rewards like Coin Races tokens. The game is accessible via Telegram, offering a fun and strategic experience without the need for a wallet. Fourth, Crystal Fall. This hack and slash action RPG is set in a rugged, post-apocalyptic steampunk world. You chose a profession, embark on an adventure, travel through lands destroyed by an asteroid, collect crystal shards, and battle mutant creatures. It is a free-to-play game that offers an immersive experience without requiring a wallet. Fifth, The Forgotten Runiverse. This pixel art MMORPG is inspired by the Forgotten Runes Wizard IP. You can collect resources, craft items, explore, form guilds, participate in PvE adventures, and even compete in monthly PvP leagues. While the game integrates with the Ronin network, you can enjoy the core gameplay without a wallet.